Welcome back to another episode of Rosengold. I'm your host, IK, and first we'd like to mention happy holidays to all. Let's get into our hot topics for today, starting it off with Avatar. So Avatar 2 just had their London premiere, and all of the different cast members and people that arrived were all stunning, and their photos are right here on the side. They were all 10 out of 10s.
Exactly.
You know, I haven't seen Avatar 2 yet, but I believe that it will be a fun, interesting film. A lot of different reviewers are saying that it was different than the first, and it hit a lot of points that the first one didn't. It's more adventurous, action-packed, and it's all around better than the first. So I'm excited to see it, but make sure to stay tuned because Dr. Ross and I are going to be giving you our in-depth thoughts.
Like it's hot, drop it like it's hot.
On the subject of films, holiday films for that, we're going to mention Violent Night. Now, the main character for this film was Santa Claus, played by the Stranger Things actor. His name is Wright here. I thought he did a hilarious job in the film. It was all around fun to watch, a crazy slasher, so if you're into a lot of craziness, this might be the film for you. I'd give it a 7 out of 10. A few things I would have changed up and redone, but other than those critiques, it was an all-around good film. It's fun to watch with the family. For all of the people saying the debate if Die Hard is a Christmas film,
Die Hard is not a Christmas movie.
You just hating, feel me? That's why you ain't never gonna have no paper, ain't never gonna have no...
You'll be having the same debate with this one. Let's get into our next hot topic with Letitia, Wright, and Keisha.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
So this is IK coming to you guys from the editing booth, just letting you know that when I'm saying Keisha and Letitia Wright, I meant to say Kehlani and Letitia Wright. So every time I say that, just replace those. But stay tuned for the topics. We've got more coming up for you guys.
So Keisha and Letitia Wright were spotted at a club and they were getting down. We're gonna insert in the video clip right here. Keisha was grinding on Letitia, and
I don't know, man.
sources are saying that Keisha's girlfriend was in the background watching over all of this, but I don't know, I think there might be a little bit more going on, but that's just my personal opinion. Let's get into our next hot topic.
This is exactly what I've been waiting for.
Next topic is with Keke Palmer. So if you haven't seen it yet on SNL, the clip is right here.
There's some rumors going around. People have been in my comments saying Keke's having a baby, Keke's pregnant, and I want to set the record straight. I am.
Keke Palmer is doing her thing, and
Congratulations! Congratulations! Congratulations!
so Bill Cosby, after just getting out of jail, 5 more women are now suing him for alleged abuse and sexual misconduct.
Oh my God, dog.
Leela Moss looks just like her mom Kate Moss in a sheer dress on the red carpet. The photo is right here, and I have to agree with our sources. Leah Moss really does look stunning. She pulled off this outfit and she pulled it off right. You know what, speaking about this, we're going to make Miss Leah Moss our She's Hot Contest winner for this episode. That's right, we know that she is out there doing her thing, and she is being a groundbreaker and innovator, making her way in the industry. Keep on doing you, and congratulations on your win.
You deserve it.
Let's get into our next and final hot topic for today with Tory Lanez.
I actually can't see how people get into watching WWE. Oh, really? Here. Why'd you give me gloves? To catch these hands. What?
Tory Lanez, where he shot Megan Thee Stallion in the foot, that is now coming back around, and he is getting 6 more charges, possibly landing him 6 more years in jail. Now, before it was saying that his max jail time is 22 years, but he might be getting more. Tory Lanez, you messed up. But these were all of our hot topics. We'll see you on the next episode of Rosengold. Make sure to stay tuned for the personals.xyz. The trailer is going to be coming out soon. We'll see you on the next episode with Jamaican shampoo down in the link below.